We want to convert the following percentages to fractions. Look at 42%. 42% we know is 42 out of 100. What we need to do now is cancel this to the simplest possible fraction. 2 goes into 42 21 times and goes into 100 50 times. There's no more cancelling possible, so we have 21 over 50. Now consider 37.5%. This is 37.5 out of 100. Clearly, we can't have a decimal in the numerator of a fraction. One way of getting rid of this is to multiply top and bottom by 2. 37.5 times 2 is 75. 100 times 2 is 200. 25 goes into 75 3 times and into 200 8 times. So we get 3/8. Now consider 117.5%. This is 117.5 out of 100. Multiplying top and bottom by 2 gives us 235 over 200. 5 goes into 235 47 times and goes into 200 40 times. So we have 47 over 40. Writing this as a mixed number, 40 goes into 47 one time with a remainder 7.